What is Terraform? So basically, we'll discuss about the Terraform. What is Terraform? Terraform is a tool for building, changing, and versioning infrastructure safely and efficiently. Terraform, a tool, are created by the HashiCorp company, and this is the most popular tool which used for the provisioning of infrastructure globally. So Terraform can manage existing and popular service provider as well custom in-house solutions. So basically Terraform used for the creating and managing the infrastructure using a code. So let's go forward for more example. So here you can see the example of the creation of one of the AWS web instance. So you can just imagine there are the only 3 lines of code, and with all these 3 lines code you will get the web instance running in AWS. So there could be the more configuration, but here the example, there you can just write the 3 line of code, you can generate that web instance. So the Terraform tool works like that. Okay, so the first thing is the infrastructure as a code. So Terraform is a tool used for writing code for creating the infrastructure, kind of resources, kind of database, kind of network, kind of any caching servers. So you can create your infrastructure using the Terraform code. So that's actually called as infrastructure as a code. So you have to write the code for the creating the infrastructure. And for example, basically I want to create a web instance or database instance in AWS cloud or any other cloud. I have to go to the console and I have to configuration do, and I will create that you by manually giving the steps. Terraform do the same things using the script, which just I show in the previous slide, that you can write the script and it will create instance behalf of you. So basically Terraform do all the same steps which you do the manually by automation. So that is the automation of your infrastructure. Okay, the next key point is the Terraform maintain the state management. So this can be used for the multiple purpose, kind of the compliance, kind of the dependent resource management, kind of the production, some typical production scenarios. Okay, how? So Terraform maintain the state. So I can maintain my state in specific in a code, and the Terraform will ensure that all your new resources are getting created and match with your state configuration. For example, you have to create some resources, and that resources have having some dependent in resources are created before, that's maintained by one specific state file. So then new resources will be created and it will match with your state configuration, and it will the exact match with the same state configuration, and it will create the new resource. In case you have done any manual change in existing resource by manual, then Terraform will ensure that that is on the same configuration. If it's not there, Terraform will update the same things. So it will manage the all state management. So that's the really key things which maintain the state of your infrastructure. Okay, the Terraform giving the code where you can write your infrastructure in a code level. So that code you can manage by the version control system like a Git. So this will basically use for your history management. This will be used for your compliance, and you can see your actual code written by who. You can do the tracing, you can do the troubleshoot, and this will use for multiple purpose, same like development code. The Ansible, SAP, Puppet, basically they have focus on creating the automation of your configuration of software for specific instance where the kind of web server running and where kind of the API server running. So you have to use these tools for the configuration of your servers. So basically it's to maintain a system in compliance in certain mode. Basically Terraform used for the generation and provisioning of your infrastructure, where infrastructure will be created, and the infrastructure inside the configuration of your software, their use basically Ansible, SAP and Puppet. Basically Terraform will give the integration of all these tool, and you can use that all these tool in Terraform scripts, where you can give the collaboration of Terraform, and you can do the Ansible runbook also. Terraform can support all major cloud provider, where there are lots of cloud providers supporting, and Terraform keep updating the same things. For basically, I'm giving the example that are too less, but there are lots of the supported the cloud providers. So example, AWS, GCP, Azure, DigitalOcean, Cisco, and many more.